Hello, my friends. Today we'll look at this fun little maths challenge from the United Kingdom Maths Challenge. The sizes of the three angles in a triangle in degrees are x, 7x, and x squared. What is the size of the largest angle? So when we see this problem, we know that there are three given angles, which are x, 7x, and x squared. So I think one thing we can do is to just draw a random and arbitrary triangle. Right, this is any triangle, and we label the degrees of the triangle. Let's call this x, and then this one 7x, and then the last one x squared. Okay. Now, we know that the sum of the degrees in a triangle is 180. So what we want to do now is to sum up these three angles like this. So we have x plus 7x plus x squared equals 180. So on the left-hand side, we have x and 7x, and also an x squared. So we combine the like terms. So x plus 7x, that is 8x. And we also have x squared. And we take 180 to the left-hand side, equals 0. Now I want to write this in a more standardized format. We put x squared first. So x squared plus 8x minus 180 equals 0. This is now what we call a quadratic equation. The way we solve this is to factorize it. So we want to have x plus or minus something, and then x plus or minus something. The reason we have x only is because we have x squared, and then x times x is x squared. Now notice we have an 8x and minus 180. So we want to think of two numbers such that when you multiply them, we get a minus 180, and when you add them up, we get 8. And with a bit of trial and error, we should be able to find the numbers. Let me see. So the number 18 and the number minus 10. Now we can check here that, 18 multiplied by minus 10, that is a minus 180. And also that 18 plus minus 10, so 18 minus 10, and that is exactly 8. So this is the correct factorization. So that equals 0. This means either x is minus 18 or x is 10. Now, x cannot be minus 18 because it is the degree of an angle. We cannot possibly have a negative angle, and that would make no sense. So we take x equals 10 as the degree. So let's fill them in. We have one of the angles is 10. Then this one, 7 times 10, that is 70. And x squared, that is 10 squared. So 10 times 10, that is 100. So now we know all the degrees, right? And the question says, what is the size of the largest angle? clearly the largest size is 100 degrees. And so the answer is C. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.